Now we'll start with the third unit, that is reproduction in organism. But before understanding the reproduction means in organism, it is necessary to understand about what does reproduction term mean. Reproduction is actually a biological process that helps organism produce new offspring that are similar to them. That is, the young ones resemble their parents. This reproduction is a natural biological process due to which all organisms exhibit reproduction. That is, all organisms reproduce. It ranges from single-celled organism to multicellular. Apart from animals, this reproduction process also takes place in plants. Now, what are the advantages or positive aspects of reproduction? That is, why reproduction is necessary. First, it helps in continuous retention of organisms to maintain in similar manner from generation to generation. That is, the young ones that are produced from the parent one exhibit the similar properties and this process goes on continuously. Second, due to this property, genetic variation is maintained in the environment. As said earlier, that all organisms reproduce but in different manner. That is why such genetic variation occurs in various species and genus, creating various phylums. Due to this, a large biodiversity occurs in nature. This was all about the positive aspects of reproduction. Apart from that, reproduction depends on various factors like the internal physiology, the habitat in which organisms live. Now, after studying about the advantages and the term, let us study about the types of reproduction. There are mainly two types of reproduction that takes place in plants and animals. First, asexual reproduction, and second, sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction that generally takes place in single-celled organisms. and sexual reproduction takes place in multicellular organisms. However, these types also take place similarly in plants. In plants with the simpler organization, asexual reproduction occurs. On the contrary, with the complex organization, sexual reproduction occurs. Now let us study each of them in brief. First, asexual reproduction. As said earlier, asexual reproduction is the type of reproduction that takes place in single-celled organisms. That means with simpler body organization. Now, the reproduction that takes place in this manner produces offspring like the exact copies of their parents. And so, the young ones or the offspring that are produced by this type of reproduction does not are only identical to their parents, but are exact replica of their parents. Similarly, this type of reproduction also takes place in plants. With simple cell organization. Now there are various methods or means of asexual reproduction in animals. However, in this unit our main focus will be on mainly four types. In this unit we will study about budding, fission, sporulation, and fragmentation. For both plants and animals. So let us begin our study first with the asexual reproduction methods in animals.